Mastering culinary verbs. Shred the chicken. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the culinary phrase, shred the chicken. This expression is often seen in recipes and cooking shows, but what does it exactly mean? Stay tuned as we explore this term, provide examples, and share tips to master this technique. Shred the chicken refers to the process of breaking cooked chicken into smaller, finer pieces. This is usually done after the chicken is fully cooked and has cooled down slightly. The goal is to create thin strips or shreds that can be easily used in various dishes such as tacos, salads, or casseroles. There are several methods to shred chicken, each requiring different tools. 1. Using 2 forks. This is the most common method. Hold the chicken with one fork and use the other to pull and tear the meat into shreds. 2. Using fingers. Once the chicken is cool enough to handle, use your clean fingers to tear the meat into strips. 3. Using a stand mixer. Place the cooked chicken in the bowl of a stand mixer and use the paddle attachment to shred the chicken on a low setting. 1. Cook the chicken properly. Ensure the chicken is thoroughly cooked but not overly dry, as moist chicken shreds more easily. 2. Let it cool. Allow the chicken to cool for a few minutes after cooking. Shredding hot chicken can be challenging and may cause burns. 3. Choose the right cut. Chicken breasts are leaner and shred easily, but thighs can also be used for a juicier texture. Shredded chicken is incredibly versatile. Here are some ideas for using it in your meals. Tacos or burritos. Mix with spices for a delicious filling. Salads. Add for a protein boost. Soups and stews. Provides texture and flavor. Sandwiches and wraps. Combine with sauces and vegetables. Shredding chicken is a simple yet essential skill in the kitchen. It allows you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. We hope this video has demystified the term, shred the chicken, and provided you with the knowledge to enhance your culinary skills. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.